Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly factory reset your Motorola phone. So if you don't remember the screen password or anything like that, just go to the power button and the volume down button and hold those down. So let's hold those down, and it might take a screenshot, that's fine. But after about 10 to 15 seconds, the screen will go black. Continue to hold those buttons down, volume down, power button, and then it will bring you to the screen. We can use the power key to go to recovery mode, tap the power button. Now it's going to bring you to a screen that says no command. Hold down the power button and tap volume up. Now we can go down to where it says factory reset or something like that. Wipe data, factory reset. Hit the power button. I think there's one more screen you have to confirm. And then you can wipe the data off your Motorola phone. So if you ever forget the on-screen password you have, something like that, you can get rid of that. It's going to wipe the data, all the pictures and stuff off your phone, but you should be able to use your phone again. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.